Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Beatrice here. If you guys don't know me, I am Beatrice. Beatrice from Beatrice Family Style. If you're new to this channel, I hope that after this video, you will join the family so I can keep growing and growing and growing. And if you've been following me for quite some time, welcome back. All right, so on today's video, we're gonna be talking about our package. We got a special package. And now I want to show you. Oh, do you know what it is? All right, let's check it out. All right, put my hair down a little bit. Put a little headband so it looks like I tried. Whoa, I'm just kidding. All right, guys, so let's start with this package that I got. I feel like it's winking at me. I feel like I should do the same thing. I'm gonna talk like this. So like I was saying, vamos a ver qué nos llegó. So let's see. Well, there's nothing in the back. The only thing is this. But that's about it. But so I opened it with a knife because I couldn't take the tape off, but I haven't actually seen it. So, cool. Healthy inside, radiant outside. Hashtag start with hin. Within. Sorry, it sounded like I said hin. All right, so we have two. Follow them at Hum Nutrition, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. All right, that's it. All right. My hair, I don't know why I always play with my hair. Let me know if there's a reason why I do that all the time. All right. So. Oh, and the kids are sleeping, by the way. This is already time for them to go to bed. They have to go to school. So pretty much the same thing. Healthy inside, radiant outside. Start with in. Same thing. Okay. So we have Run Ready for glowing skin, glamorous hair, and perfect nails. So it's 30 daily packs, 3 pills, combining our red carpet killer nails formulas. Black currant seed, and it has GLA, ALA, vitamin E, high potencia biotin. So I've heard a lot about this company. I mean, I'm not sponsored by them at all. I bought this with my own dinero, with my own ka-ching moolah. But if they want to sponsor me, hey. So let's see. There is a big old thing, but there's 3 pills. So they look like this. I'll open it and then I'll put it back. So I'm gonna do this tomorrow. So they look the same, but that's what they look like. So I'm gonna have some ka-ching hair and ka-ching nails and a glowing skin. All right, let's see what else we bought. Oh, okay. Hi, beautiful. Hello. I don't know what the heck this is. Where's my receipt? Can I show you my address? Watermelon Glow Sleep Mask. Glowing Radiance. Watermelon Glow Moisturizer. And then this is just exclusive stuff like member benefits. You know, they have all these kinds of stuff. And they said if you want to use my code, I don't know what my code is. So hair sweet hair. Can't talk today. Runaway Ready and Daily Cleanse. So I have for stronger and healthier hair, I have this. And then I have Daily Cleanse that help clear your skin and body toxins, and I have this. So I'm actually very excited to try all this. And I mean, of course I take my supplements because I do work out and I do go to the gym. I mean, you probably can't tell, but if I put a before and after picture, which I will do right now. Welcome back. I could tell there's a difference. I know maybe it's taking, I feel like it's taking forever, but whatever. But I love anything that cleans me from the inside, and you can see it in the outside. So I heard a lot about this company. We're gonna go ahead and try it. I will for sure give you guys an update. I'm very well taking my supplements, and I'm very well aware of the changes that it gives me. Like, for example, apple cider vinegar is a really good one for me, for my body. I have a really good digestion. I'm also very good with collagen. I feel like it tightens my body, especially this part. I have very small friends down here, you know. So when I lost a lot of weight, they were way like small, but I wanted them tighter, so that's what I did. I know a lot of the times I talk about, maybe not on YouTube, but I do talk a lot about implants. One day maybe I will get them, maybe not. I don't know. I love myself the way I am. I don't know if that sounds cocky, but I do. I also like how I feel the inside to show on the outside. So maybe I would, maybe I won't. It depends. I have been playing around with the idea for like 3 years now, maybe 4, about putting implants, because sometimes I'm like, I want to have, you know, but it's, I don't know if it has to do with like, I just want my appearance to look better, or if it's just me, or I don't know what it is. But so far I like what I see. I like the results. I mean, you know, working out has been with me for, I want to say 4 years now, maybe even longer. But like for real, like 4 weeks that I've been like changing my habits of how to eat. Maybe on camera you can't tell, but again, you've seen the picture previously, and I have been very motivated, self-motivated. I'm very disciplined. I don't like to start something and not finish it. So my goal is to have a 6-pack, and maybe after having the 6-pack, then I'll be like, no, I'm just kidding. I'll continue. But I'm taking it very slow and very like a healthier, because I know I do have a lot of people that I know, and I do see a lot of people on YouTube that I know, and I don't want to go through a lot of the things that they go to. For example, they go through, like, for example, losing, you know, your period, being with hunger, or experiencing a lot of hunger because you're trying to eat so many calories, things like that, right? So I'm trying this keto diet kind of thing, but I'm putting a little twist to it. I mean, I do have a little bit of, I think the ketos you can only have like 20 or 30% of carbs, which is what I do, but my twist is that I do the carbs at night instead of in the morning, because that way I feel more energized later on. And I say at night, like around 4 or 5. And then if I'm gonna have dinner, I'll just have like a big salad. But again, I have to have a little bit of carbs, because if not, I don't know what it is, but I can't function. So when I say a little bit of carbs, I'm talking about between 1 or 2, probably like tortillas, or half of a bread, or maybe a whole bread for 1 piece. I just have to have a little bit of carb, just a little bit. But anyway, so that's like a whole new other video about my gym. So if you guys want me to talk about my gym journey, I mean, I have lost 60 pounds. I lost 60 pounds in the beginning. stopped drinking soda, and then I gained weight, but I gained muscle. So it's not like I gained fat, I gained muscle. So I like the results. I like what I see. So we're gonna go ahead and continue. But anyway, that was for a whole new video. However, we're talking about these. So if you guys have tried this, please let me know and see how you feel, and then maybe we can share our experiences. And now I can get rid of all these boxes because I don't know why I have so many boxes. They could have just put them all in here, but yeah. Well, that's it, guys, for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy my quick video. If you guys have any questions, any comments, don't forget to leave them down below. Please share and subscribe, and until the next, peace.